Hey crafty people, and welcome to my channel. This is EGI Designs and I am Ellen. Alright, we are down to the last 2 days of the unboxing for Gina K Designs 12 Days of Christmas box. So day 11, here we are. Yesterday we had that really cool new spatter paint, which was awesome. Alright, here we go. I'm peeking through. This looks like a die set, I think. We shall see. Let's check it out. It's kind of fun to guess. Oh my goodness, look at this. The gorgeous gatefolds die set. So it looks like we have 2 different sized kind of ornate layer for gatefold cards. Look at that. Look at the detail on that. Oh my goodness. Alright, give me a minute and I'll be right back. I'm going to cut these out so we can see what they look like. Alright, so I went through and cut these out. And these are very much reminding me of the day 1 ornate frames. They kind of have that swirly ornate look. And then here's the smaller squished one. Look at that. Look at the details on that. I love how it's just like the flourish of it and just the going like that. That is really nice. And then we have the bigger one. And move this up. And then look at that. So basically what you can do is when you make a gatefold card and you have the 2 pieces that meet in the middle on the front, so this would be a panel that you would put on both sides. So you have that really cool look. And then this would be if you were going the other way. So this measures 2 by 3.5. And then this one is 1 5/8 by 5. So yeah, and if you're doing the like what is it, like a horizontal gatefold, you could put that on either side. Oh, all right, so good. These are so beautiful. All right, so that is it for the day. Like I said before, if you missed any of the days, check out the playlist, and any projects I'm making with any of the stuff from the Christmas box will also be in that playlist. So thank you so much for stopping by today. Only one more day, so make sure you stop by tomorrow and find out what the last day is. Thanks so much for stopping by and have an amazing day. Bye bye.